first of all, the drag technique and the angles. Obviously, this angle here, called the lead angle, that's the angle that we're going to use to draw the electrode down the plate. So we're going to experiment to see how effective this angle is at A, controlling our travel speed, and B, the sensitivity it offers to either speed up or slow down. If we sort of agree that wet welding normally in comparison to dry, dry we would probably hold an angle about this, so we can see this angle here from the electrode to the plate, 45, 55, 60 even, with nothing wrong with that, and you're holding an arc. For us, to begin with, we need a slightly steeper angle. We need the slightly increased angle, and when I say increased, I mean steeper, this way, to let the bubble escape without disturbing the material that's been deposited. If you hold quite a shallow angle, the area available for the bubble to escape is being reduced. And obviously remember, everything's, although solidifying very quickly, it's also volatile for the bubble to remove material away from it. So lead angle, this is the angle we're going to draw down. So remember that term lead angle. So when we're in the tank and I say, you know, reduce your lead angle, what I normally mean is steepen that, or increase your lead angle, I mean make it sharper. The angle that we draw the electrode down. The other angle, not applicable at the moment because I'm just on one flat plate, but our other angle is this angle here, which we call the slope angle. If we can just imagine a joint now, we can see that there's two angles that are required to make sure we put the right amount of weld in the right place. So we've still got the lead angle, so we're still travelling down this joint, so we have to understand and appreciate the changes that exist on here. But we also have this angle because we want to direct metal to the specific part of the joint. And this angle here, slope angle. Yeah. So any ideas about what the slope angle might control? Or so if I'm doing one pass, any ideas what my slope angle might be?
45.
45, spot on, well done. Yeah, the initial one, 45, okay, that's worked, I've done that. It put metal where I wanted it. Second angle though, now I want to extend this leg. So my slope angle is going to be biased towards this side of the plate. So 45 slope to begin with, and then I'm going to kick that over to about 55, thereabouts, so that most of that metal that actually goes to this plate. And then when I come to do the other pass on a 3-pass weld, I'm going to kick the angle the opposite way to bias most of the metal to the other side of the plate. And in that way we'll be able to ensure, because remember, touch techniques, we don't have the benefit of manipulating the arc, of making instant decisions. Oh, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to correct this. We're using touch style welding techniques. So if you want metal to go in a particular place, you're going to have to point it in that direction.